Hi. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. So today we are doing another DIY. I haven't done like a DIY in a month, which is kind of a long time for me, but yeah, anyway. But today's DIY, as you can tell by the title, is a DIY tie-dye sweatsuit set thing. You know, the ones that are trending all over the internet that everybody seems to be wearing. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own instead of spending like $150 on it. So let's go make it. Okay, sorry, that background noise is the dishwasher. But anyway, here are the supplies. So basically the tie-dye kit that I use, that brand, Tulip, they sell it at Joann and Michael's and I assume Hobby Lobby. It's a really good kit because they give you everything you need except for the fabric. So they give you gloves, the tie-dye bottle, rubber bands, and the additional supplies that you're gonna need besides what comes in the kit are the sweatsuit set, obviously. This is from Pretty Little Thing. I'll link both the sweatshirt and the sweatpants down below. They're really comfortable, they're really warm. They're 80% cotton, so the tie-dye should stick very well onto this fabric. Also, these sweatpants do run a little bit small, so if I were you, I would size up like 2 sizes if you want it to be more of a relaxed fit. And finally, you're gonna need a trash bag or a plastic tablecloth, something that protects your surface from getting all the dye over it. I also put some newspaper underneath just for a little bit of extra protection. And you're also gonna need some plastic bags to store the clothing items once they're dyed. So let's get dyeing. So before I go outside and do the actual dyeing part, I'm going to rubber band these together. Basically just bunch them up randomly and yeah. Now for the fun part. Once you're set up, all you need to do is insert the dye into the balls of fabric in a random pattern. There's not too much strategy to this process, just make sure you get all the dye into the crevices between the folds of the fabric and almost massage the dye into the fabric like what I'm kind of doing. Then put the completed items into the plastic bags and let them sit there for like 8 hours. This isn't a vlog, so I don't have any footage of those 7 hours, but I waited for 7 hours. Cool. Now just run the clothes under cold water and take off the rubber bands. Then throw into the washing machine and wash them by themselves, or else the ink will bleed onto other clothes. So obviously that was the final product. I really liked how it turned out. The back is a little bit bare because I don't think I dyed the back properly, but that's okay. That can easily be fixed. But I really like it. I like that it's not very symmetrical. I think it looks cool. This looks like a skull right here too, which is cool. But yeah, I recommend you do this if you're looking for something fun to do and something creative. It's a lot less expensive than buying a tie-dyed set. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything you want to, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell on, follow me on Instagram, do everything else that people say in the outros, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching. Bye.